With faith, we rise to create the morn, a world renewed, a day reborn. Each breath we take a gentle sign of Allah's mercy. The sun ascends its golden light, dispelling shadows of the night. It whispers softly to not fear, for Allah's grace is ever near. In every moment, through trials faced, His blessings flow, His love embraced. He guides our step, His path made clear. Our heart at peace, no doubt, no fear. So let us welcome every day with faith to light the narrow way, assured that in His boundless care we find His mercy everywhere.